Hey, welcome. If you're watching this, you're probably tired of the same old story. Slow agencies, bloated teams, vague timelines, and invoices that don't match the results. My name is Shireen, and this is Conri Coding, an AI-powered digital agency built for the future of the web. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly what we do, how we do it, and why we're different. Let's get into it. The future of development is already here, and we're living it every day. At Conri Coding, we engineer your digital presence at machine speed, without sacrificing human vision. That means UI/UX design, front-end development, and AI-driven advertising, all delivered faster than you'd expect and at a fraction of the traditional cost. How? Because we've combined the best AI tools on the planet with a strategic human eye, someone who makes sure every output actually serves your goals. Swift turnaround, unlimited revisions, near zero overhead. AI-powered from start to finish. That's the Conri promise. So what do we actually build? 3 core services, each one powered by AI, each one designed to work together. First, UI/UX design. We go from user research and personas all the way to pixel-perfect interactive prototypes. Tools like Figma AI, Reloom, and Wizard mean we move fast without cutting corners on quality. Second, front-end development. We write production-ready React and Tailwind code, not templates, not drag and drop. Clean, real code that goes from design file to live URL in record time using Claude, Opus, and Vercel. Third, AI-driven advertising. Once your product is live, we make sure it gets seen. Performance marketing, AI-generated ad creatives, and autonomous media buying, all engineered to maximize your return on ad spend. 3 services, 1 cohesive vision, enterprise-grade output at a fraction of the time and cost. Now let's talk about how it actually works, because we hate vague processes just as much as you do. We run a clean 4-step workflow, and it starts the moment you submit your brief. Step 1, understand. We extract your goals, your audience, and your competitive landscape. Your brief becomes our blueprint. We use Reloom and Claude to map everything out before we touch a single pixel. Step 2, craft. This is the design phase. Wireframes, visual identity, high-fidelity mockups, all reviewed by a human art director before anything moves forward. Figma AI and Wizard power this stage. Step 3, build. We write the code, production-grade, React and Tailwind, tested across browsers, optimized for conversion. Claude, Opus, and Cursor handle the heavy lifting here. Step 4, ship. We deploy your project to a live URL. And here's the part people love. You own everything, the code, the assets, the domain, 0 vendor lock-in, ever, brief to live. 4 steps, no fluff. So what's actually running under the hood? We're not using one AI tool and calling it a day. We've built a full arsenal of best-in-class tools that work together in parallel, managed by a strategic human who makes sure the output is always on point. Claude Opus 4.7 handles our flagship AI reasoning. It's the brain of the operation. Figma AI powers our UI design and layer management. Midjourney generates our visual assets. V0.dev turns prompts into React code in seconds. Vercel handles deployment and hosting. On top of that, Reloom for sitemaps and wireframes, Cursor and Copilot as our smart code editor, Canva Magic for social and branding, Zapier and Make for workflow automation, and AdCreative.ai for ad generation and CRO. 10 tools, 1 team, every output meeting your goals. Now let's talk about the work itself. Our portfolio is growing fast. Every project is built by machines and directed by humans, meaning AI handles the speed and scale, while a real strategic eye ensures quality and intention. We've built analytics dashboards with real-time KPIs and custom charts. E-commerce landing pages with AI-generated copy and visuals designed to convert. And SaaS hero sections with cinematic animations and trust signals built in. Each project is delivered as fast as possible, without cutting corners. More projects are launching soon, and we're just getting started. If you want to see what's live, head to conri-coding.versal.app. Payment details are always shared after your brief is confirmed, so there's zero commitment before we've had a real conversation about your project. So, what's the next step? It's simple. Submit your brief, we'll handle the rest. Tell us about your project, your budget, and what you need, and we'll come back to you as soon as possible with a clear scope, timeline, and flat rate pricing. No long sales calls, no vague proposals, just results. We guarantee swift turnaround. We offer unlimited revisions until you're genuinely happy. And our pricing is completely transparent. Flat rates, no hidden fees, no retainer lock-in. You can find us everywhere: Instagram, LinkedIn, GitHub, YouTube, WhatsApp, Behance, Gumroad, and X. But the best place to start, go to conri-coding.versal.app and hit submit your brief. We'll take it from there. That's Conri Coding, AI-powered, human-directed, future-ready. If this resonated with you, hit subscribe. We're dropping content on AI tools, web development, and building a digital agency from the ground up. And if you're ready to build something, the link is in the description. We'd love to work with you. See you in the next one.